Ramadan Mubarak! Ramadan is the most special time of year for the ummah, and in this video I want to share with you 5 practical tips that help me and will definitely help you to have a productive Ramadan so we can all get the most out of this beautiful month. Hi guys, hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're a content creator, an entrepreneur, or a working mama, then you've come to the right place. This sacred month of Ramadan gives Muslims from all over the world an opportunity to repent, to connect to their faith on a deeper level, to give back to the community, and of course, it's a great chance for us to better ourselves spiritually and mentally. We have hundreds and thousands of things that we want to work on this month so we can better ourselves, but of course, without proper organization, it's very easy to get overwhelmed and distracted. And when that happens, we barely scratch the surface when it comes to achieving our Ramadan goals before the sacred month is over. And that's what we want to avoid at all costs. If you're new to my channel, my name is Veronica. I'm a co-founder of a modest activewear brand, For Generation Apparel, a content creator and photographer. I document and share my business journey along with its ups and downs, valuable lessons, practical advice to help women like me to pursue their passion, start working for their dreams so they can craft the life that they deserve. Without further ado, let's dive right into this video. Intention is what truly counts, and just like we make an intention for our fast, we need to make a firm intention to achieve our Ramadan goals. But of course, before we do that, we need to know what those goals are. You have to be very specific and intentional when you set your Ramadan goals. For example, setting a goal like read the Quran every single day is not specific enough. But when you set the goal of reading 10 pages of Quran every single day, when you are that specific, when you set your goal, then that goal becomes tangible and can be easily tracked. If you want to memorize new surahs, then you have to decide which ones and how many. And that's not enough. You need to have a solid action plan so you can achieve that goal. Let me explain. For example, if you want to memorize one surah per week, then you need to break the surah down so that you know exactly how many lines you need to memorize per day. That way you can easily monitor your progress and stay on track. This principle needs to be applied to every single goal you set this Ramadan. It's very simple. If our goals are clear and achievable, then we simply set ourselves up for success. Tip number 2, plan your days. Now that we have our goals in order, we need to create time in our calendar for them. We can use tools like Google Calendar or just your average daily planner to plan out our days and tasks so we can solidify that intention to show up and achieve our Ramadan goals. Pick up that weekly planner and start time blocking your tasks. I have an entire playlist on time management, and specifically I want to recommend watching this video. I actually walk you through my process where I schedule my week every single Sunday, and I show you exactly how I do it and the logic behind it, so that you can be as efficient and productive throughout the week ahead. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. Make sure you add it to your watch list. Log in things like suhoor and iftar time. Log in your 5 daily prayers and tarawih. Log your work hours in, school pickups, and other non-negotiable tasks that need to happen every single day. And once we are done with the time blocking our daily life and things that absolutely need to happen during the day, then we can definitely see windows of opportunity where we can slot in our Ramadan goal related tasks. Just be very mindful not to overbook yourself with other things, because Ramadan happens once a year and it's a very special month, and we need to prioritize those goals over everything else. That's why I want you to focus on your non-negotiable tasks only, tasks that cannot be rescheduled or avoided at all. And the rest of the time you dedicate to your Ramadan goals. Now that you've scheduled your tasks, you don't only have a solid intention to achieve your Ramadan goals, but you have the space in your calendar and the clarity to actually show up for them. We can schedule for the week ahead every single Sunday, and we can review our schedule every single night so we can track our progress, remind ourselves of what we planned for ourselves for the day ahead, and of course, adjust the schedule if we need to. Tip number 3, set limits on apps. Of course, our phones are great and they serve us well in the 21st century to help us manage our busy lives and stay connected. But we can all agree they can also be a major distraction, and apps like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, they can definitely take control of our life a little bit and make us lose the track of time. You would know which apps exactly suck you up in their vortex. What I would recommend doing is simply deleting them, but unfortunately not all of us are able to do it. Even for me, a huge part of my work and professional life revolves around social media, so I can't completely delete it and just not show up for a month. That's not an option. But what we can do instead is set limits on our apps. That would be the next best thing we can do to control how much time we spend on social media. And I would personally allow just enough time to make a post, to engage with the community, and to answer all of the DMs, and that would be it. If we are very intentional of how we spend our time on social media, and all of us probably spend way more than we truly need to, you'll be surprised how quickly we free up a lot of our time where we can focus on our spiritual growth instead. Tip number 4, keep active. Keep active, or at the very least, don't turn into a couch potato. We all know the most amazing benefits of exercising, and I'm talking about things like better mood, great energy levels, better sleep. And during the month of Ramadan, we need them more than ever. If you're already training on a regular basis, don't stop, carry on with your routine. And of course, you can easily adjust it to make it Ramadan friendly in terms of intensity. You can consider doing things like daily power walks, yoga and Pilates, low impact cardio, and lightweight training. And you can do all of that to maintain your fitness level during the month of Ramadan. We're not trying to smash our crazy fitness goals. We are just trying to stay on track and maintain our fitness level. Work out smarter, not harder during this month, because remember, our focus is spiritual growth. You can either wake up earlier to get your workout right before suhoor, your early morning meal, or you can work out before iftar, maybe about 1 hour before, and have a fasted workout, or 1 or 2 hours after iftar. Honestly, what works for you, you know your body and you know when you prefer to work out. So just decide that for yourself. But make it your priority to show up for your workout, even on the days you feel like vegging out on the couch. Get up and get a light walk in. It's better than nothing. You will thank yourself later because you will feel great and energized, and of course, up for achieving your Ramadan goals. And last but certainly not least, eat well and stay hydrated. When our food and water intake is limited, it is more important for us than ever to watch what we put in our body. It's very simple. Good quality food equals good quality fuel for our bodies. For example, when our suhoor is balanced and nutritious, then we will simply have great quality energy throughout the day while we're fasting. And the same goes for iftar. When our plate is full of fresh, whole, healthy, balanced food, we simply leave the table feeling comfortable and light rather than stuffed, which of course makes it easier for us to show up for Taraweeh and our post-iftar workout if we plan to work out at night. Water intake is also very important. Our alert levels and focus suffer significantly if we are even slightly dehydrated. So I have a quick tip for you. So whenever you're not fasting, get a good size water bottle, make sure you fill it up, keep it next to you so you can sip on it as often as you can. And when it's right in front of you, you just remember to drink your water. Our sincere intention, organization, self-control, and of course how we feel determine exactly how productive we are, and of course how successful we are in terms of achieving our Ramadan goals. And it's all in our control, and that's why we have to make it our priority to keep our mind focused, our time managed, and our body nourished to keep up our productivity levels this Ramadan. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave me a like, a comment, share this video, help me spread the word so I can inspire more content creators and entrepreneurs to pursue their passion, take action, and start working for their dreams. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel right here, and if you want to learn more from me, check out these videos over here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you later.